Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 570, and today I am going to discuss the medicinal or health importance of melon. Melon, they are having different lot of variety of melons are there, and they contain from 90 to 95% of uh, living water. We are not calling it water. The melons they contain living water, or we can say biological water. So the question is, what is difference in this biological living water and water? Like watermelon. Watermelon contains 90 to 23% water, not living water. But all the melons, variety of melons, they are all rich in living water or biological water. It means, living water means that they contain protoplasm of vegetable cells, and that's why they are forming colloidal water solution inside the melon fruit, and that is called living water or biological water. That's why they are very, very good for our kidney to flush out the toxins, because they are rich in cell protoplasm of vegetables. And secondly, they are very good for our digestion because they are rich in complex fiber. These melons, they are rich in different type of vitamins and minerals, and that percentage I will give. We have the calculation. Once we take 1 teacup of melons, its weight will be around 170 or 160 grams, and on that gram we have done the calculation. So here, let me tell you that this melon is rich in vitamin C also, and that's why it can reduce drastically the oxidative stress, and it will reduce drastically the generation of free radicals, and so it can improve our immune system, and also it can improve our cardiovascular system, means it can protect from blood clot or thrombus formation. These melons, they are also good for our healthy bone because of presence of potassium and complex fiber. They are also maintaining our blood pressure. If anybody who is having tendency of high blood pressure, it will maintain the blood pressure because of presence of potassium in it. And also it is very good for our skin because it is containing vitamin beta carotene, vitamin C, and they can reduce the oxidative stress, means aging process will be reduced. So overall, it is very good for our health. It plays as a medicine, and this is the best fruit which is very rich in living water or in biological water. It contains very good antioxidants and anti-inflammatory like vitamin C and B complex group, and they are very good to maintain our overall immune system, and they can boost our immune system, and also they are responsible of protecting our eye and some other health issue, and also they are good to reduce our chances of multiplying the cancer cells. So here I have given the calculation of all the vitamins and minerals. The botanical name of a melon is Cucumis melolin, and in India it is also called as musk melon. It belongs to family Cucurbiaceae. And number one, the percentage of water content is ranging from 90 to 95%, and it contains living water, or we can call it biological water, and because it contains the protoplasm of vegetable cells, and thus this living water is very very helpful to our kidneys to flush out the toxic material. Number two, it supplies well balanced vitamins and minerals, and I have given here, if you take 1 cup, teacup of watermelon, if you take the weight, it will be around 177 to 180, something like that, depends upon the size of the cup. But if I say teacup means it will be around 160, 170 gram, and that 177 gram will contain 64 calories energy, and the carbohydrate will be 16 gram, fiber 1.4 gram. 1.4 gram means it will be roughly 5% of total mass, and then vitamins C is 55% of RDI, and that is your vitamin C is in good percentage, and then B6 is 8% RDI. That is RDI stands for reference daily intake, or sometimes they call it announced daily. So it is reference daily intake is 8% B6, folate 8% RDI, and vitamin K 6% RDI, and the minerals are magnesium. It is rich in magnesium. That's why it is good for bone, to maintain healthy bone. It contains 4% of RDI, and it contains potassium, that is 12% of RDI. That's why melon is good for maintaining the high blood pressure. It will bring down the high blood pressure to normal. Number three, may help to reduce blood pressure. I have already told you, vital to bone health, because of presence of magnesium and potassium. Because of magnesium, folate and fiber, it is good for bone health. May help to maintain blood sugar, of course, because it is rich in complex fiber, and it takes more time to break down into simple glucose. That's why it is good to maintain to balance the sugar level in the blood. And it has low glycemic index, because it takes more time to break down carbohydrate into glucose. And the very interesting thing is that it is a very good electrolyte. It provides good electrolyte because it is living water. It is a colloidal. So your ionic activities are very good and smooth, where charged particles are in large quantity. So it acts as very good electrolyte, rich in electrolyte. Number four, good for healthy skin. It is good for healthy skin because it contains very powerful antioxidant, and that powerful antioxidant is your that is vitamin C, and it is very good for your eye, healthy eye, for your vision, because it contains lutein and zeaxanthin. Lutein and zeaxanthin is very good for our vision, and also they are powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory, and that is good to add as a salad, as a soup, as a appetizer. In Nigeria, I think in North Nigeria, most of the people, they are using melons as a soup, but in Asia and Indian subcontinent, most of the melons, they are used as a salad or food chart or as an appetizer. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture, and take care of your immune system. If I say take care of immune system, means two things are very important. First, keep your mind free of fear and greed and hate. Nowadays, 90% people are suffering from mental noise and mental fear of COVID-19. Please be free and keep your brain very positive and healthy, which will boost your immune system. Second, let us have 8 hours sound sleep, good sleep, quality sleep. If you are following these two, keeping your mind relaxed, without tension, without anxiety, then you will get good sleep, quality sleep. And if you are getting these two, good sleep and good mental health, your 80% body immune problem is over. The rest 20% goes for food intake, fruit and vegetable. Thank you very much.